Good morning, my friends. You've heard me say this many times before. It's another gorgeous morning on the beautiful Pacific Ocean. You can see it behind me. I don't have to tell you how pretty it is. We're coming to you from my house in Mexico with the third video in my four-part video series, The 4 Fundamental Beliefs You Have to Have in Order to Succeed in Modern Network Marketing. So, the 4 fundamental beliefs are belief in the industry, belief in your chosen company. The one we're going to discuss today, belief in your chosen product. And for tomorrow, belief in yourself. Today, we're going to talk about belief in the product. Do you believe in your product? Now you stay right there. I'll be right back. So the question I asked you is, do you believe in your product? Look, you can't look at your friends and your family and potential prospects with a product that you don't believe in. You've got to believe in it with your heart and with your soul. You've got to use it. You've got to be a product of the product. I mean, if it's a shake that you don't drink, don't try to sell it. If it's a makeup that you don't use, don't talk to people about it. If it's a weight loss product and you're 20 pounds overweight and you haven't taken the product, I would suggest you stay away from it. Find a product that you can endorse. Find a product that you fall in love with. Find a product that you can enthusiastically tell your friends, your family, and potential prospects how wonderful the product is because you use it. Tell a story about the product. And we've talked about stories before. The standard story format is before I used to, then I found, and now. Okay, so before I used to be 20 pounds overweight, then I found this product and I've been taking it every day for the last 30 days and I've lost 15 pounds. Okay, now that's an endorsement. That's some enthusiasm. That's something you can get behind, and that's something people will listen to. But that's all for today. If you got value from this video, click like, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, go to my Facebook page, connect with me, go to my website, lenmooney.com, fill in your name on the capture form there, and let me send you a copy of my latest webinar, 5 Simple Steps to Success in Modern Network Marketing. We're going to talk again. Stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow. Don't stay tuned. Tune back in tomorrow for video number 4 in this 4-part series. We'll talk tomorrow. Bye for now.